My name is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to use a great command with inside Dragon NaturallySpeaking called correct that. What it allows you to do is after you say a word or phrase, if there's something wrong, you can say correct that, and it'll pull up a box with what it thinks you said and allow you to spell a word or correct a phrase or get rid of it altogether. So we're going to give you some quick examples, and it'll come up with a list when I say correct that of possible alternatives, because it's going to try and guess what it thought you said. We're going to start first by opening the microphone. Wake up. Wake up. Today we're going to practice the correct that command. Correct that. Stop listening. So you see it pulled up the entire sentence, and it's giving me possible alternatives, including an all caps text. Click OK. Wake up. Click OK. Period. So you see it'll allow me to choose that, and I could do it with just a word as well. My name is. My. Correct that. Stop listening. So you see it breaks it down into chunks of when you paused in your speech. So I just said my, and only the word my came up. And within that, it gives me a bunch of alternatives there, and you can choose any of those. Choose one, choose two, choose three, choose four, if that's what you meant to say. So again, this is the correct that command, and it allows you to correct the most recent word or series of word or phrase that you just said quickly and easily. Once again, I'm Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and I look forward to giving you more tips in the future. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel right here on this page, and if you want to learn more about my Dragon Naturally Speaking e-course, which will quickly help you learn how to use what can sometimes be a jargon-ridden process. It'll show you how to get started and get practicing right away.